Hello everyone, it's Delon Jenkins here with this plan B. Just gonna show you my fire pit and what I did over the years. At the end it'll be like a compilation of pics. I had to do it over 2 seasons to get it all the way through, but the result was awesome. So let's clean it up first. Yeah, get all of that dirt and grime out of there. And now what we'll do is we'll clean around it and rinse it a little bit. This metal top I generally paint every couple of years. Now that we got it cleaned up here and and getting ready to start it for the first time throughout the year, for the year, I'll paint that top later. Remember, it took me 2 seasons to get the full thing done with the walkway and the fire pit. Put a little screen over it. I started with some paper, but how did we get here? That's where the compilation will come in. And let's go back and see. What you're seeing here, ladies and gentlemen, is a process over a couple of seasons, a transformation basically. We'll do the fire pit first, the walkway second, and just sit back and enjoy a nice fire this coming season. Cuts on this walkway is great. Thanks to my buddy Hilario who did the cuts. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are planning on doing a fire pit or walkway, go ahead. Short, right? So he don't have that ability that Russell Wilson or Drew